The new Sigma shipping application allows you to quickly create delivery and dispatch notes without displaying any sensitive or confidential information such as production costs. Let's take a look. We'll start in the Shop Manager, which is the launching pad or dashboard for all of our browser-based products. From here, we'll click on Sigma Shipping. From here, we'll have the option of creating a delivery note for shipping parts to our customers, or a dispatch note to ship parts to our subcontractors. We'll click Delivery, select the job you want to deliver, and then click Create Note. At the top is the estimated shipping price set in the job. No information on cost is ever displayed. If the shipping amount is different, it can be changed, and this amount will be noted in the invoice later on. In the delivery note, we can do the following. We can select which parts are to be shipped. We can change the quantity of the parts that are being shipped. We can add parts from another job, or even give the delivery note a weight limit and allow Sigma Shipping to automatically calculate which parts can be shipped. We'll select all the parts and create the note. Some data, such as the address, is already populated, and we can populate additional information such as the header and footer text. Then we'll click Next, and we'll see an overview of the delivery note. Now we can save the delivery note. We can preview the delivery note using the report that was set up in either Sigma MRP or Sigma Quote. And then we can download the report so that it can be printed.